Have you ever wondered how the food we enjoy every day goes through an incredible journey before it reaches our plates? Imagine tiny eggs transforming into lively chicks and golden eggs that make your breakfast complete. What you're about to discover is nothing short of a magical process, a combination of nature, love, and groundbreaking technology that will leave you in awe. Stick around, because this is a story you won't want to miss, filled with surprises that will change how you see the food you eat. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of how modern farms turn tiny eggs into thriving chicks and eventually into the delicious meals that nourish families around the world. This isn't just a farming process, it's a carefully orchestrated symphony of life, care, and innovation. You'll see the remarkable dedication of hardworking farmers and the amazing technology behind every step of the process. It all starts with the highly selective process, almost like a beauty contest for eggs. Only the best eggs, those with the perfect shape and condition, are chosen to enter the incubator. For 21 days, these eggs are cared for with extraordinary precision. They're kept at a steady temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit and rotated regularly to ensure the embryos develop perfectly. This critical step sets the foundation for a new life to begin. After 21 days of careful nurturing, the long wait is over. The chicks finally hatch. But before they're ready to face the world, there's one important step: a quick vaccination. This ensures that the little ones are strong and protected from illnesses, giving them the best start in life. Once vaccinated, the chicks are moved to a cozy nursery designed specifically for their needs. It's like a luxury resort for these tiny creatures. They drink fresh water from advanced Big Dutchman nipple drinker systems, which not only provide clean water but also keep their living space dry and comfortable. Every detail is taken care of to help these chicks grow healthy and strong as they prepare for the next stage of their journey. Now, it's time for these chicks to step into their roles as future egg-laying stars. At a modern farm, they're pampered with the finest care. Their diet is carefully formulated, and the lighting in their environment is optimized to keep them happy and productive. These farms are the pinnacle of innovation, blending traditional care with state-of-the-art technology to ensure the best results. But what happens to the eggs after they're laid? This is where things get truly fascinating. Automated systems gently collect the eggs, handling each one as if it were a treasure. Thousands of eggs are harvested every hour. But the journey doesn't stop there. These eggs then head to what can only be described as a spa day. First, the eggs are given a thorough wash to remove any specks of dirt. Then, they go through a meticulous sanitization process to ensure they're absolutely safe for consumption. After that, each egg is carefully inspected under bright lights to check for imperfections, both inside and out. Only the best make it through this process, ensuring that every egg that reaches your table is of the highest quality. Finally, these superstar eggs are carefully packed into trays, ready to make their debut on dining tables everywhere. Every step of the process, from hatching to packing, is designed to ensure quality, safety, and deliciousness in every bite. But what about the chicks that don't grow into egg-laying hens? Their journey is just as important. These chicks are sent to broiler farms, which can be likened to 5-star resorts for chickens. Here, they grow in clean, safe environments with plenty of nutritious food and expert care. This ensures they become strong, healthy, and ready for their next role in the food supply chain. Modern poultry processing plants take the utmost care in every step, from slaughtering to packaging. Advanced technology ensures the highest product quality while maintaining safety and efficiency. These plants produce millions of tons of chicken each year, providing a rich, nutritious food source for families all over the world. Did you know that chicken is not just delicious but also one of the healthiest protein options available? It's rich in protein, selenium, and vitamin B while being lower in saturated fat and calories compared to other meats like beef and pork. Its mild flavor and tender texture make it a versatile choice for everything from daily meals to special celebrations. This incredible journey, from egg to chick to your dining table, is a testament to the harmony of nature and human ingenuity. It shows how modern farming and technology can work together to create a sustainable, healthy food supply for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this amazing exploration of life, innovation, and dedication. If you're as captivated by this process as we are, Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. There's so much more to uncover about the fascinating world of farming, technology, and food production. We'll see you in the next video. Don't miss it.